Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Got one of my homes fresh off of the press. This home is going to Miss Newell and her family up in Michigan. And remember, I did a video about this home. This is the Caborn, 16 by 76 Caborn. Well, it used to be called the Pokagon. And we do also have a Pokagon, but it's just a little shorter now. But this is the Caborn model. And if you remember in one of my past videos, there's usually an island sitting right there. And I talked about how everybody was so mad that it was facing the wrong way. So we shipped it loose. We can do that. I imagine, and I remember this customer is going to turn it the other way. So she's actually going to have it going this way in her kitchen. I love the way the colors worked out. Black and white. Black on the top, we call that Lysola, and it's a textured, you can't really feel it. Maybe you can kind of see it from the video, but it is textured. This is an Energy Star certified home. So that means it is very well insulated. So we did a black laminate backsplash. We did black appliances, black dishwasher, electric stove, the standard hood. We did an accent wall in the back, the black cabinet handles. Here's something new I just discovered. We now have white ceiling fans. So when you purchase a ceiling fan from us, we are going to have the main part of the ceiling fan installed into the ceiling along with the bracing and the wiring, but you will have to install your blades because that thing would be going during shipping. So we ask that you install them yourself. We did upgrade this window by enlarging it. This is a 46 by 61. It would have been the same size as that window, but this customer, Kathy, is gonna have a very nice view coming out of that window, so she wanted to enlarge it a bit. Coming into the primary bedroom, this is a nice big bedroom. I wanna say it's a 14 by 12, 14 by 11 maybe. Nice big walk-in closet. Here's that little cubby hole that's always cut out. You can put a dresser or whatever you want to do there. In here in the primary bath, huge area. And this customer did a walk-in shower with no doors. It's a good option. $225 on that option. But look how big that bathroom is. One of the largest in the single wides. Continued with the accent wall on the primary bedroom's side wall. We did perimeter heat, meaning we got the registers right up against the wall instead of being right down the middle. That would be a real bummer to end up having a register under your bed. Be sweating to death. Coming down to the rest of the home, very short hallway here. Furnace. Bedroom 2. Washer dryer area, added the washer dryer cabinets. Bath 2. And then the third bedroom. And this is the more spacious of the two bedrooms. This customer opted for a water softener loop, so that's what's going on right there. Tell us your lifestyle. We can design your home for it. So here we go, 16 by 76, 1,153 square feet. This is called the Caborn. Things are starting to really heat up. Give me a call, come see me. All my information is on the main Mobile Home Mama YouTube page as well as in the description below. Thanks for watching.